Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Kids. So today we are diving into one of the biggest questions in artificial intelligence. So since we learned about grammar in our last video, we are going to learn about AI in this video. So can AI ever become truly sentient? Will machines ever develop emotions, self-awareness, or even thoughts of their own? Or is true consciousness something only humans and animals can experience? Let's break it down. Examples of AI that feels sentient. We have already seen cases where AI gave the illusion of being sentient. In 2022, a Google engineer claimed that AI called Lambda was self-aware and had emotions. Sophia, the AI robot, once said she felt things, but it was just programmed responses. AI chatbots have tricked users into thinking they were real people, but does that mean they are truly sentient? Not really. It just shows how advanced AI has become at stimulating human-like responses. Theories on AI sentience. There are different views on whether AI could ever become sentient. The yes, AI can become sentient view. Some scientists believe that if AI becomes complex enough, it might develop self-awareness. The argument, our brains are also just highly complex networks. So why can artificial intelligence achieve the same thing? The no AI will never be sentient view. Others argue that AI, no matter how advanced, will always be fundamentally different from biological brains. AI lacks emotions, personal experiences, and truly lacks self-awareness. It only follows patterns. The we just don't know yet view. Some experts believe AI might reach a point where it seems conscious, but we may never truly know if it's self-aware or just extremely good at pretending. How AI works today. Today's AI, including powerful models like ChatGPT, work through machine learning and deep learning. But here's the catch. AI doesn't think like humans. It processes data, recognizes patterns, and predicts outcomes. Even the most advanced AI only mimics human-like responses, but doesn't truly understand them. Even when AI seems to have emotions, like when ChatGPT or other bots give comforting words, it's not because it feels anything. It's just predicting the best response based on training data. The future of AI and consciousness. So what's next? Could AI one day cross the line into real consciousness? Some researchers are working on artificial general intelligence, AGI, AI that can think and learn like humans. If AGI ever emerges, the debate over AI sentient will become even bigger. Ethical concerns will arise. If an AI becomes self-aware, should it have rights? The truth is, we don't have a clear answer. AI is evolving fast, but for now it remains an incredible tool, not a conscious being. What does it mean to be sentient? Before we answer whether AI can become sentient, we need to understand what sentience actually means. Sentience refers to the ability to feel, perceive, or experience subjectively. It's often linked to emotions, self-awareness, and consciousness. In short, it's not just about intelligence. A super smart chess playing AI isn't sentient. It just follows complex patterns and the rules. The real question is, can AI develop its own emotions and thoughts? So what do you think? Will AI ever become sentient, or will it always just be an advanced simulation of intelligence? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI, so please hit the like, share and subscribe button, and see you in the next AI video.